Welcome to Project Sophia and Business Central. Hey, I'm Eric, and I want to show you a thing. I want to show you something I stumbled over, which is pretty cool, and to some extent is, I guess, kind of a sneak peek of perhaps what's coming to Business Central in the future. Let's get straight in because it's really hard to explain without me showing something. So here is somewhere on Microsoft Learn, Project Sophia. An overview. This is preview. Project Sophia is a new generation of AI-first business app that helps users with complex cross-functional tasks and offers a new way to discover, visualize, and interact with business data. Project Sophia offers an AI-powered, user-friendly research canvas and large language model-powered blueprint. The research canvas helps you to create exploratory journeys and understand business data with AI-generated charts and insights without the need to manually mine data and create visuals. The app provides quick insights and recommendations and recommends the next step. You can start with a question and explore different options and can continue to iterate until you get to the best possible outcome. Hang on, that sounds pretty cool. Some things. Project Sophia is only available in the US, so you gotta have a US-based tenant to try this out. And this is some sort of a preview thingy, so I don't know. It might not work. It worked 5 minutes ago before I started the video, but I guess it still works. So I go to projectsophia.microsoft.com and I have created an account there, and this is where you get. So there's a little video and some. Well, I think one of these I clicked on was the page we just were on. So you have a workspace, and I have tried to make this. Maybe let's see if we can. It's kind of weird. What happens if I go back now and then I go in? See that? Haha! It doesn't resize when you zoom. Anyway, so the idea is that you give them your data. Of course you do. And before I started the video, I went into Business Central, into Kronos, and I said open in Excel to chart of account, customer ledger entries, items, vendors, and customers. And then I took what is called the customer item sales statistics report, a PDF report. So let's start with the items. You upload a file, and what's happening now that you can upload multiple files, and we can try that in a second. So I'm not here to teach you Project Sophia. I'm just here because my mind was blown and I want to share this with you. So right now I have no clue how all this is put together. This is a video of random clicking. Anyway, items. I click generate. What's happening right now is that the data we have given it, and by the way, I've told that we're in the domain of finance. So now charting your data's journey. So it's feeding my customer list into the large language model, planning the next step, crafting insights for next step, laying groundwork for action. No, see, this is too big. So I have to, let's go back. So I'll just go back here and then I'll go into this one again. Yeah, now it's look right. Sorry, this is as big as it gets, otherwise. So now it created a chart for me. Proportion of items in inventory where substitutions exist. Relationship between unit cost and unit price. Overview. The data provided is an Excel file containing information about various items, including the description, types, inventory status, unit cost, blah, blah, blah. The data also includes insights about the top 3 items in the inventory type with the highest unit price. Highest priced inventory item, the top 3 item with highest unit price of this, asset tracking. Suggested next step, generate email draft, analyze the correlation between unit cost and unit price. I guess this kind of this one, but let's click on that and see what's happening. Okay, so now we get a new canvas, and I think the idea is that, you know, we have this canvas and then we ask a question and then we get a new canvas. Trends of unit cost over number for each item in the inventory. Unit cost versus unit price with inventory size. Series 1, so I'm not sure what this is. But let me ask, because there's the AI cursor here. So I click that and then I select this one, I think. And what is this? Generate as a new blueprint, or so these are blueprints on the canvas. Generator in place of existing block. I want a new. So okay, so now it's building another one. So behind my head there's a zoom control, so I can see my thing here. I think, by the way, we are zoom. That's too much zoom. Go back. It's probably a weird question. Okay, let's do something else. I will create a new step, and then I will instead upload the customer item sales statistics report as a PDF. So we say generate. So and right now, so I want to do this, and then I want to do where I give it multiple files. So here's the thing, that what if this kind of technology had, you know, just an OData feed, right? Just access your Business Central directly. So now we're getting top selling items for a datum corporation based on the available data in the document. Total profit and profit percentage for trade research. Based on generate a total profit of $30,000 and generate a profit of 30K with a profit percentage of 35. It gets confused here because these are customers, right? So Trade Research did not sell 43 lamps; they purchased 43 lamps. This document provides a sales report from Kronos company for Saturday today. It details the sales of various items to different customers. So it knows its customers, but then it gets confused about the direction. Profit margin. The profit margin percentage for most items hover around 22%. Total piece sold for each product. Huh? Nice graph. I like this. Can we ask? Let's go here and let's say about who purchased the conference bundle then stuff is happening on the next one here. Setting the stage for insights. Purchase and quantity of conference bundle 2 to 8. Based on the available data from document, the conference table bundle was purchased by 2 different customers, Adatum Corporation and Trade Research. The total quantity sold for this item is 44 units. Here are the details. Adatum purchased 18 and Trade purchased 26, which actually adds up to 44. You gotta check these large language models for the ability to do math. Details of Athens desks. Well, I don't care about that. Conference bundle sales volume. Proportion of conference bundle purchase in each file. But what is document 1, document 12, document 13, document 14? I guess I can ask. What is document 12? Unless that's... Hang on. Do we have a document number or something? No, we don't. This is the actual report, right? So I'm not sure what document 12 is. Okay. Let's try one more thing. So let's go and do a new workspace here, and then let's add all the files, because that's how we roll. All the files. Okay, let's add one file and then see if we can add some. Okay, let's add the chart of account. And let's add the general ledger entries. I could see that perhaps for stuff like this, in order for large language model to handle this, then you might want to build some reports that dumps all the data and kind of describes what we know about the data, so the language model can parse it and interpret it. Let's add the customers also. Who owes us money? How about that? That's a good question. There should be multiple ways to figure this out. I think there's a balance field in the customer table, but there's also, of course, the GL information. But I I don't know. This is cheesy, but I kind of like the thing. Balance due LCY for each customer. Tray, boom. Net change in chart of account over time. Interesting. The data provided includes 3 Excel files, customers, ledger entries, chart of accounts, customer information about customers, in top debtors. The top 3 customers with the highest outstanding balance are School of Fine Art, Relic Cloud, and Alpine Ski House. Yeah, it's right about that. Can we ask a question? What can we do? Analyze the balance due by each customer. Examine the general ledger. Cross-reference the general ledger entries with the customer file to identify any I can't say that word. Review the chart of account file to understand the financial health of the company. What is the finance health of Kronos? The most Kronos I've seen is that they never pay the bills, and they sell out items that they don't have in stock. So in general, I think Kronos is a terrible company as a company. But let's see what's happening here. Revealing hidden paths. So what did it actually do? We get the overview again, which but I ask it, okay, so in conclusion, the company's financial health can be assessed by analyzing the data in these files. The absence of recent transaction in the purchase retail export account, the outstanding balance from Alpine Ski House, and the detail ledger entries all contribute to a comprehensive understanding of the company's financial status. Further analysis could include a review of all customer balances. So it have seen that, hey, there's kind of old data. Relationship between sales and payment for each customer. You know what? It does find stuff that is I'm not sure. Anyway, so Project Sophia.microsoft.com. You need a US Office 365 tenant to play with it. And maybe the conclusion after this video, which was made by somebody who just did random clicks and recorded it for YouTube, you might say this is not usable, and it's probably not usable in the current incarnation because it's just a preview, but the concept is cool, and if this could, you ask a question and then somehow you give it a model of all the data in Business Central. Tell that, okay, we have this file with this information, we have that file in as a language input, saying, and we can find item information, we have the value entries, whatever it is. You give it that, and then the AI will say, okay, the question you ask, I need to go look at this data and that data and that data, and then it will pull down that information from your Business Central and start doing these blueprints, these Canvas stuff. pretty cool. I am excited for this. This is gonna be fun. Anyway, this was not one of the usual videos, but I just found this fascinating. So go try it out if you have a US tenant, and let me know in the comments below if you get yours to do something that is more useful than what I did right now, or maybe you start reading the documentation, which I didn't, and you can tell me what I did wrong. Anyway, if you need some more Business Central AL stuff, man, my fingers all over the place today, go check this video out. It's a good one. I'll see you there. Take care. Bye.